welcome to another awesome video. Today, I am actually in my house right now trying to play some Fortnite, and there's a storm going on outside. As you can see those clouds? Yeah. And my dad saw like a weird funnel while he was driving around in Portland, and we think that these two storms would collide to make a bigger storm, but we'll have to find out. But I was just gonna go ahead and play some Fortnite, but I want you guys to see this thing right now, because otherwise if you missed this, that would be crazy if you missed it. But yeah, as you can see, the ground is already really wet. My front porch is really wet, and my bike is really wet, and if the lightning hits my bike, then I'm screwed, because then I have to walk all the way to summer school. But yeah, my neighbor just took her son back downstairs to her apartment, and that was because it is thunder and lightning right now, and you can actually really see those clouds right now. Yeah. I don't know if people were stuck out there and there was a tornado hitting. I think people could be in danger right now. But I might actually lose power right now, soon, possibly. And I think all around me is gonna lose power, and so on. But you can see all that's going on right now, I don't think it's really dangerous like those other videos when people are posting, like on YouTube, like tornado videos, that when they're in a tornado, or hurricane videos, or